So we're here at CannaCon with Hillary. What's going on, Hill?
Today we're showcasing our end of drying configuration for cannabis processing in a vacuum oven. Here we have a 10-liter glass flask that is acting as our vacuum oven. In the system, when your product is outgassing, it's giving off lots of water vapor, which is going to cause a differential in the pressure within the flask. So here we have our dry flask being monitored by two sensors with our FYRA configuration. If there's a lot of water in the system, these readings will be much more different. We'll come back in a second after dampening this towel so we can show you the differential. The pressure in the vacuum flask is being controlled by our snap. There's a proportional valve inside that controls the flow of gas through the pump to maintain your pressure wherever you'd like. So I'm going to use the vent feature on our snap to bring the system back to atmospheric pressure. We'll dampen the rag with some isopropyl alcohol so the water molecules inside will outgas in the system and we can demonstrate the pressure differential.
So why are we using hair ties?
Just to keep the towel secure against the glass stem so it doesn't get sucked into the bottom of the glass. Now with our system and atmospheric pressure, we'll pull a full vacuum on it. Alright, now we're back. We've been pulling a full vacuum on the system for several minutes now. We've soaked the rag inside the flask with isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see from our FYRA, we've achieved nowhere near the vacuum level we've been able to with a clean, dry system. The reason for that is the isopropyl alcohol molecules are outgassing within the flask, causing a false pressure. Right. Now what we'll do is we'll isolate the system and we'll watch the pressure in the flask rise. As you can see, the pressure is rising fast inside the flask, indicative of outgassing.